So here in the observatory, I am replacing the wheels for the roll-off roof from standard hard plastic wheels that rolled in a channel to V-groove wheels which roll on a track. Of course, with the wheels off, there is nothing to hold the roof up, and so I have used temporary supports with a jack to lift each support, and that is what's holding up the roof right now. The new wheels are installed on the track and the opener has been reset. So it should be a lot smoother this time. It's a lot smoother and a lot quieter than it was, and it's definitely tracking square, which is an improvement over the cattywampus tracking it used to do. That's it. Project is done. I just need to bring the telescope in. Well, uncover the mount, bring the telescope in, and the observatory's back in business. Nice.